Number 7, personal year. Great understanding and peace should be yours during this 7th year, as it is one of deep contemplation and mental pursuits. It will not be sufficient for you to be told what to do. You will have to examine everything carefully and determine what it holds for you before you accept it. Moments of solitude will be welcomed so you can be alone with yourself. These periods of thoughtfulness will help you determine the pattern you prefer to live by and how this can be accomplished. You will be extremely analytical and critical. Care must be taken not to be overly so. Sometimes too much scrutiny can be harmful. Certain undue criticism can make things unpleasant for you. Everything will move at a rather slow pace for you this year, business and personal affairs alike. Some of this will be due to your more than usual analytical nature. You will not make decisions quickly, and your preoccupation with contemplation will tend to make you tardy in getting where you should be. But, in general, this year has an air of dragging by. This is where your philosophical outlook will come in handy. Keep your temper under control when things go wrong or don't come through on schedule. Religion and spiritual studies will be high on your list of interests this year. Even the study of mysticism or the occult. You will want to delve into all the mysteries of the universe, and from this can come a new knowledge that will bring you fame and fortune at another time. Self-satisfaction will be your greatest reward, and well, it should be. Your studies and meditation will heighten your intuitive powers and make you a more keenly astute individual. 7 is not a vibration for social or romantic pursuits, so you will show little interest in these. You will find yourself refusing all but the most important or obligatory invitations, preferring instead to be by yourself. Distance plays a big part in your life this year. It may mean the beginning of something important to you, perhaps a new or better relationship with an associate while on a trip, a visit to a friend or relative who lives some distance from you, or something else that is not of a local nature. Keep in touch regularly and follow up any opportunities in that direction. A 7 year is not good for speculation of any sort, i.e., example, investing, etc. However, it is very good for creative work in the literary field or inventions. Your meditation will allow you to create something wonderful and profitable once you set your mind to it. A vacation at a quiet, secluded place where you can stroll, lie on the beach, or go biking to your heart's content would be ideal at a time like this, and travel is indicated now. Be prepared, too, for surprise gifts of a very worthwhile nature. Inheritances and the like are very apt to be showered on you during this 7 year.